up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash with Cash Chronicles, where I show you guys things that came in the mail or what I picked up from the mall. And in today's video, I'll be showing y'all a new addition to the purse collection. I got the Coach Tabby shoulder bag. It's quilted and it's in the size 20. It does come in 3 different sizes. I believe it's 20, 26, and 33. I got the smallest size. So if you are on the fence on if you want the bag, let's see what the hype is about, what size do I want, make sure to keep watching because this video will help you out. I've been wanting this purse for a really long time, so I was super happy when I got this for my birthday. So if my mom or John is watching this, thank you very much. Thank you. This purse has been super popular. I'm sure you've seen it. And the fact that fall and winter time is coming up, like, this is a perfect purse. I definitely feel like Coach has done an amazing job doing a rebrand. They turned their brand perception around. I don't want to say Coach was never that girl, because I surely did have a lot of Coach purses growing up. But I will say I have not asked for or purchased a Coach item in a really long time, especially a bag. So this is kind of a full circle moment, the fact that I'm even showing you guys this bag on my channel. I really like that it comes in kind of like inconspicuous packaging because it deters people from worrying about what's in your package. It was purchased from Macy's, and when I received it in my package room, it was like this plain brown box. I'm like, what is this? I didn't order anything. And then when I opened it up, I realized, oh, I got a little present. So this is what the purse looks like when you finally get all of the white padding off of here, and it's gorgeous. This is made out of Napa leather. It is also lined in leather on the inside. It is very plush and it has like a quilted design. This is called a push lock closure. It does have this knob right here that enters this hole, and you have to push it in for it to lock, and it's pretty secure. Like, low-key, you actually have to, like, not crazy force, but like you have to actually want to open up your bag for it to open. It does say Coach right here, and it also says right here, the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. So they let you know, baby, this is genuine leather. You're not paying for no pleather. The back of the purse does have a slip pocket. I don't know what you really put in here. Let's see if my phone fits in here. It does fit in here. It doesn't have a button right here. I believe on the larger sizes, I know the 26 does at least. The 26 has a little button right here to keep it closed. On the side, it does have the Coach tag. One thing that I really like about this bag, and I don't have any bag like this, is the chain. Like how you could turn it from shoulder bag. No. What is this? I think this would be considered crossbody, but also you can wear it more as a shoulder bag. I believe this is 21 inches in total, but this is where it lands on me on shoulder length. Super cute. I love it. If I want to hold it right here, she's cute. And then I did want to show you guys if I want to wear it as like a crossbody moment. She lands like right here, a little bit low, not really crazy low, but towards like my butt area. This is like the little crossbody moment. The options are endless how you want to wear this purse. I'll probably play around with the chains a little bit more off camera, but I have heard that you can shorten the chain even more. So I love that there's flexibility of how you want to wear the purse, because sometimes I do like a moment where my purse fits like this, but sometimes I do want my purse to be a little bit longer. Like, look at her. I love the chain. The strap is like this silver chain, and it has black leather going through it. I did pick the silver hardware purse, but I believe that they have this in like gold and also like a black color. I just wear silver a lot, so I felt like I would get good use out of this. I will say, when I took this out of the plastic, I was like, I would have really loved if this came with a duster bag. Like, why does this not have a duster bag? But when I was taking the plastic out, But when I was taking the plastic out, I noticed something in the pocket, and I'm a little bit embarrassed because I don't think this is a duster bag. Oh, it is. Yay! They gave you a duster bag that says Coach on here. You know, when you're traveling, you can organize your bag. You know, just put that bad boy in here. It doesn't get damaged or dirty. Just a nice little duster bag for it. So I am super happy they gave us one of these. The only other thing that came in the bag was this little Coach thing. Wear it, love it, pass it on. Look after your Coach product today and tomorrow with our unique Coach care services. Scan to find out more. I want to find out more. Do you guys clean the bag for free? Is this complimentary? Do you have to pay? I'm asking the questions that need to be answered. I'm about to do this research for y'all. Because keeping and wearing what you buy for longer, even a few months, decreases the impact it has on the planet. Today, we stand by a promise that everything we make is crafted to last. As part of this promise, we offer services to help keep your Coach in play and looking beautiful for longer, which is good news for you and the planet too. Wear it, love it, pass it on. Okay, I like y'all little motto. Okay, they got some different options. They got product care, product repairs, Coach create. How do I repair my Coach bag? Oh, per our 1-year warranty, any quality related repairs, including stitching or hardware replacement, are on us. After the 1-year time frame, repairs are offered as set fees. So that's actually pretty cool that they have a 1-year warranty on your purse. If anything happens, you could take it and they're going to repair it, honey. Let's get into the inside of the purse. So it's just 2 little pockets. It's this front pocket. Oh no, excuse me, there's more than 2. So there's this front pocket right here, a decent size, and then they also have this back pocket. I can't really get a good image. I'm reading this for y'all. It says, this is a Coach bag. The story patch is our badge of authenticity. Few people may see it, but it will always be a reminder of the commitment to quality and craftsmanship. So if you get a Coach bag and they don't got that tag, another flap in the front. It's a little low-key. It closes with this magnet, but it's like a little tiny part. So I'll probably put my little wallet in here, and then I can put my phone and my keys in there. Let's see how much this could really hold. So let me get some stuff as if I was going out for the night. Okay, time for the verdict. So it's empty right now. So like I said, I would put, whoa, don't rob me, y'all, but this is a good spot to put your wallet. So she's in there. Let's fit our phone. She's in there. Let's see if a fan can fit. The fan is in. You know we like our lip gloss. Some perfume. We're kind of filled to the brim right now already. So let's see if the keys can fit. I don't know. She's a little bit full. I mean, if I really, I don't know. She's too full, so let's take some stuff out. But maybe that's a good sign. If this is the amount of stuff that you normally carry, maybe the 20 isn't the best thing for you, and maybe you should size up and get the 26. I'm gonna take out the fan because I kind of don't usually travel with my fan, and I think that's kind of what's taking up the most amount of space right now. So I'm gonna take the fan out, and let's fit the keys in here. But I also think I'm making the bag mad big by putting my wallet right here. So I had to do some work to get this to fit. I didn't remove the wallet from this part, and I kind of just put it in here. I put my keys, I got lip gloss and perfume and my phone. And does she close? She closes. That's a little demo of everything my girl can hold, honey. I finally made this video, and my reward is that I can wear my girl out, honey. All in all, I'm super happy with this gift I got. I love her. I think I'm gonna be getting a lot of use out of her. It kind of reminds me of a Chanel bag, so just feeling bougie with this one. Let me know if you guys do have a Coach Tabby purse of your own and how you like it, or if this is on your wish list for fall or Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please let me know by either liking this video, leaving me a comment, or you can also subscribe so you never have to find me again if you liked my content. I hope you chose to subscribe or did all 3, but either way, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Inside me, I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living